So let's continue.
Right in progress.
So I just want to do C plus C1. See, it's not giving any error. Why?
Integer value on the right side.
Integer value. Right side integer value. C means A ASCII code will participate because this is the addition operator. So when you are asking a character to participate in the mathematical operations, that ASCII code will come and participate. So now C ASCII code, C means capital small a, ASCII code 97 will come and participate here. C1 is a small d. So that ASCII code is 100. So totally you will get a 197 in I2. So that's the another thing. So next you can see I want to assign long L equal to D. So why it's throwing error?
Oh, is D a character? So it's a type
D
mismatch.
character. Where is the D character?
Oh no, there's actually D is a double value, sorry. My apologies.
Yeah. D is a double, but what? So what type of variable is that?
It's a long, isn't it?
What type of variable is D?
Oh, like a double is a floating point. Yeah.
Okay, fine. What type of variable is that?
Oh,
What type of variable is that? Can you tell me what are the different type of variables first?
we have non-static variable, static variable, and local variable. So
Then what is this D? What is the D data? D type
D
of?
is a non-static variable.
Yeah, very confusing. You're right. Absolutely right. Now, so you're using that non-static variable in the non-static method. So perfectly fine. But what is the problem here?
Is it different data types?
Yeah, but can you assign that double to long?
No, because it's different data types.
Yeah. Then what is the problem you will get?
Type mismatch.
Okay, how can you solve that?
Typecasting.
Typecasting, that's it. Do the typecasting. So what you need to do? So double you convert into long format. So this is all I'm just showing a typecasting, okay? Basically, we'll change this to typecast demo, okay? So that's a proper one. Because we are doing mostly typecasting only here. Right? Okay. See, you're not getting any issue here because I is a 25, C is a 97. So it will be automatically returned to you. So a float value will get automatically. So then typecasting is not required here. Okay, that's enough. I just want to do a few logics. That's it. Okay, done. So next we have let's develop one more method. I want to swap two given integer values with the third variable. So last class we did, you remember, we did a,
We did.
so without a third variable we did. Now we need to do with a third variable. How you can swap it. So I can just do that. So write a program to swap given two integers with third variable. So the syntax is, I'm going to write access modifier. So void method name parenthesis data type p1 comma. So data type p2. Logic. So here arguments, I'll take x at the rate param y. So two parameters I'm going to take for this method. So I'll take access modifier public void swap with third variable int x comma into y. So that's easy one. Just you're going to use assignment operator. That's it. Okay. But the same logic you used in many programs, other programs. So remember this logic. The small programs we are writing, but still there is a lot of places you will use them in the bigger programs. The swapping logic. Okay. First, now let me print before swapping x is y is plus y. So you declared a third variable. So one temporary variable. I'm just assign the x to temporary variable. Okay. Now x value will go and store in the temporary variable. Now second step. See, you assign the y value to x. Okay. Then you assign a y to, so temporary variable to y. See, automatically they are swapped now. 3 line steps, that's it. So after swapping. X, Y. So X value is stored in the temporal variable, right? Now what we are doing, Y value you are storing in the X. So that means Y value went to X. Now what you are doing in the Y, you are copying the temporary variable. Temporary variable has a X. So the X is you are copying into Y. So all assignment operators. That will solve your problem. That's a simple method. Okay. So you got a void with parameters, void without parameters. Next. So next, what are the other two types of methods? Without void, sir.
Yeah, with return values.
Name. Okay. So I want to write a program to print one to 100 random integer numbers. You got my point? What we need to do?
Print random integers between 1 and 100.
How can you do that?
Didn't we discuss last time around that we had a random class available, like in the math, sorry, class?
Math class. Yeah, math class random, but that will give you a double values, right? Now can you do random integers? So do we need to use the same logic? Yeah, let's see that. Okay. So I want integer values. So access modifier I'll use so default. Okay. And data type I want integer type, right? I want integer. So get random integer values. So I just followed this logic till this point. Okay. Executing. Okay. So now see this. I use int rand number equal to general add is a math, right? Math dot random method, but it will give you so basically it will give you double value. So I have to multiply this. Okay, if I multiply, I'll get a integers. Still this won't give, right? But this will give you a double data still. So now you want right hand side, you are getting a double value. Left hand side you declared as integer. So then you are getting a type mismatch error. How you can solve? Do a typecasting. So now it is solved easily. Right? You will get a 1 to 100 So random integer value. That's it. Okay, this one you can reduce this line. Okay, what you can do? This entire thing, this thing, you can put it here itself. This thing, you can write here itself. Got it?
You
can avoid this point.
So wait, if you purely write return rand number equals and then whatever is to the right of that statement.
No. This equal to this right hand side one now.
Yes.
Why you again this one? Left hand side you don't need. Either you write this way. Okay? Then return that this variable here. Or you don't want that. What you can do? This entire thing you can keep it here instead of this. That's it. So then you comment. So simplifying the code, that's it. You don't need multiple lines. Single line you have to write entire thing. Even you don't need this also. Okay. That's how people expect more. Got it?
Got it.
Yeah. Always try to reduce number of lines of code. Okay. Now, let's write one more method. Okay. Last method. Okay. So take this again, another syntax, data type, but parameters you have to take. Okay. Data type P1, comma, data type P2. So I forget to give one exercise last class. Maybe you take up, convert the Celsius degrees temperature. Oh, that's what we have written, right?
Yes, that's what we did.
So you take a vice versa, okay? You give input to Fahrenheit temperature and convert that into Celsius. And one more also. And you take, you give number of feet as an input, okay, to the method and convert that into ads. You got my point?
Now, could you just repeat that one more time?
So you will give the number of feet, okay, as an input. So you have to give input. So for the method, number of feet, that you need to convert into ads. Add, you know, right? Ads.
Yeah, okay.
So that you convert into ads. So take those are two methods and create. Okay. Now, so I'm going to write a program to find which number is bigger. Okay. So you need to write that. So protected. So integer, I'll take otherwise float, okay? Float numbers. Float, get bigger number. Float F1, comma, float F2. So how can you do this?
You mean find bigger number? Are you trying to compare the two float values and see which one's the bigger one?
Yeah.
Okay.
But how can you do that? So you have a direct methods in the math class. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Math.max method is there.
Mm-hmm.
F1 and F2, two parameters. So you need to pass for this method. So then return big number. So these are the return type methods. So we can create them. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So tomorrow we can see how to call these methods in different
Scenarios. Gotcha.
scenarios. Again, 3 scenarios will come here also. Same class, in another class, in same package, another package class, how to call. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we'll see that. Okay. Okay. See you tomorrow.